Okay, so I finally found a chart of ADA versus USD. I found it on Big Screener and also at investing.com, which is the one I'm going to be using because it's easier to place indicators. The thing I don't like about investing.com is the volume bars disappear. I don't know why. They always disappear. They should be showing, but they're not showing. So I'm going to explain what I'm seeing on this chart. I draw this trend line here, a ray line. When you draw a ray line, it goes to infinity. So that's why I don't like to use trend lines, because it just the trend line just stays on one place, like for example here to here. So I draw this ray line. I'm gonna be watching this ray line over, I don't know, weeks. Also, I draw this one here that comes from, let me show you the daily chart. It's this one here that comes from the first day to the next bounce. But you know what, just to not make confuse people, we're gonna remove this one. Let's go to the 5 hours. I would like it to have 4 hours. I just don't remember how to place the 4 hours here. But as you can see, this day is, let me go to Big Screener, is this day here, right? Is the day when the volume came in. So that's that's a important price for the chart. At the moment in here, the price of Cardano was 14 cents. Let me just see something. Alright, so that will be over here this day, 14 cents. Unfortunately, we don't have this data on investing.com. I don't know what the heck. So, you know, you can use Big Screener. I just don't know how to use it. I don't see how to place a trend line or something. But we're gonna start using it from here because that's the only information that investing.com has. So this day, the volume came in, and it went up to 60 cents and it bounces. Then it went up again and it bounces. Now what we need is this price to stay above the trend lines, because it's not respecting the moving averages right now. It's just consolidating. When you have moving averages and the price is going back and down, it's consolidation. Because over here it was a consolidation. You can see consolidation. Then volume come in here and boom, the moving averages stay below the price. That's a strong price action. So that makes the price to go up, go up, go up, and finally boom, break above the first moving averages. At this moment you have to wait for the price to go under the next moving average, and that's what happened here. So at this day the price was bearish. It could go a lot or more further down, but instead it bounces. So it creates a new support line, and it bounces and it stays still on consolidation area, on the consolidation area, and now it's seeing that it's bullish because it's staying above the moving averages and the trend line, and also is very close to bounce for the third time, which I don't like when it bounces for the third time because it looks weak. It's just bouncing. It needs to stay away from the trend line and create another trend line. So as you can see over here, 1 month. Alright, you can see over here there's no volume. That's what we need to see. We need to see volume increasing for it to stay away from the trend line. So Cardano has the huge potential to go up. First of all, let's go to the coinmarketcap.com and see that it's on the 6th place of the list of the top 6. And let me show you how this math is being created. It's pretty easy. You just divide the market cap divided by the circulating supply, the actual one, and you get the price. But if you want Cardano to, for example, go to the 5th and beat Litecoin tomorrow, it's very easy. You just gotta take, let me show you the calculator. You just gotta take, let's see, $16 billion divided by the current circular supply. So Cardano has to be tomorrow 61 cents to beat Litecoin, and Litecoin has to stay at the price that it has right now. So it's kind of easy. We're talking about 50% move. Let's say, yeah, 50% move that it could happen very easily. Now Cardano is an Ethereum competitor and also a Bitcoin competitor. So they're new. That's the problem. So they have been going up too fast on these days. So if you want Cardano to beat tomorrow, for example, Ethereum, or not tomorrow, in the next week, to beat Ethereum, Cardano has to go, I think I already did this, it has to go to let me show you, it has to go to $2.87. The thing is that you gotta wait, you gotta be patient. The ICO, I think, was on October, and they're very new. They're still trying to get people into it. The company that they have is big, they're very smart, and you just have to trust them. If you have 10,000 Cardanos to $2.87, you have around $28,000, and those 10,000 Cardano could cost you right now, it will cost you just $4,000 to have $28,000 in a short period of time. I'm not a magician. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but it could happen in the short term. So if you see Cardano going down to 30 again, just catch some coins. But my analysis, which I'm not a financial advisor, my analysis for myself is saying that it's holding strong, ready to go to 60 one more time and further. So that has been my video for today. Follow me on TradingView, and let me show you, I'm Reno Trader on TradingView over here. And I do post. I don't post just nonsense stuff. I always post when I see a lot of ads. So let's do it.